Ever wondered if all the hype around the GuardHouse camera is real or just marketing fluff? The company claims military-grade tech, 6 months of battery life, and flawless 5-star reviews. But when looking closer at the facts, the reality paints a very different picture. The 6-month battery claim doesn't hold up. Real-world specs from Amazon show the battery lasts only about 12 hours, meaning daily charging is required instead of the twice-a-year promise. The glowing 5-star testimonials are suspiciously repetitive, with identical names appearing across multiple websites, suggesting copy-pasted reviews rather than genuine customer feedback. In terms of hardware, what's being marketed as a cutting-edge device is essentially a $35 mini camera from Alibaba being resold at a premium. And the 1080p 30fps resolution is far from the 4K some sites try to imply. Scam detection sites give it a low trust score of 36.9100, reflecting consistent customer frustration and disappointment. While it functions as a basic wireless mini camera, the supposed revolutionary features are largely exaggerated, and buyers expecting the advertised performance or battery life are likely to be let down. That said, it still records in 1080p, and could serve casual monitoring needs if expectations are adjusted. Overall, the GuardHouse camera is an example of how marketing can create inflated perceptions, and potential buyers should consider real specs and user experiences before spending money. If you want to check out the product for yourself, the link is tagged in the video so you can see it firsthand, but it's important to know exactly what you're getting before hitting purchase.